Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
My right jaw is extremely tight. When I tried to open it, it doesn't open wide at all. It's constant aching.
Okay. How much pain do you feel there from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room. At worst.
Emergency room?
Yeah.
I would, not emergency room worthy, but it does hurt a lot. I would say maybe like 7 or 8.
7 or 8. Is that constant pain or just when you do certain motions?
Certain motions, like opening my mouth too wide or like, closing it when I'm eating.
Okay. And how long this been going on?
Since end of June.
End of June. We are in October, so it's about 4 months now. Okay. And what kind of treatment you had for this before?
I've been using a mouth guard.
Okay.
That's really all I've been doing.
Okay. So would you show me where is the pain exactly?
So the pain is when I open my mouth.
I think I have a jacket.
It's here.
Okay.
And sometimes, like when I bite down,
okay,
it can sometimes even go up to here.
Okay.
And then maybe because I'm clenching at night, in the morning I feel a tightness in my neck.
Tight in the neck. Do you have any headaches or anything like that?
No.
Okay. And you said now it's how much from 0 to 10? How much pain?
About 7 to 8.
7, 8. Okay. Let me see your neck range of motion. Go backward. Okay, and let me know if you feel tightness forward. That's not too bad. Okay, turn your head to the right, left. Okay, side bend to the right and left. Did you feel any pain with that?
This side I don't feel any pain. This side I don't feel any pain, but it does feel.
But as far as you can go. So that's basically 23. Can you see that? It's like 22, 23. Okay. So you've been having that limited range of motion since last June, 4 months now.
Yeah.
So this is the area you're talking about here? In here? Is that painful? Okay. Yeah, your mouth opening is very limited. The normal is 35 to 45 millimeters. Watch. Yeah. Make sure it's not. You said the side is okay. Feel this bump here? It's a scar tissue, and you feel this grinding here. It should feel like nice and smooth like this. You feel how nice and smooth that is? Yeah. That's, you don't have a scar tissue there on this area, but here, and even like in the camera you can see it's not moving. Here it's moving nice and smooth. Here's just the scar tissue prevented from moving. So
wow.
You know, those big nodes cause restriction in range of motion because the muscle should act like a rubber band. When it contracts and relaxes, it does this. So when you have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in a rubber band. So when the muscle contracts, it does not have enough room to move. So it compresses on nerve, artery, could compress on nerve, artery, or joint, and decrease limited range of motion. Okay, beautiful. That's like 29, 30, almost 30. It's good.
Wow.
Yeah. So, it's too much tightness. So when you have fascial restriction, it's like you're wearing a t-shirt 2 to 3 sizes too small. So when there's tightness like here, and I try to move my joint, it limits the range of motion. That's exactly what fascia does. It compress on nerve artery, could compress on nerve artery, and limited joint range of motion. So that's why practitioner, that's why I have to work on that. It's part of the problem. Fascial restriction, scar tissue, trigger point, muscle spasm, and we have to address it holistically to make sure we we're treating everything, not just part of the problem.
Feels good.
Any pain, discomfort?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right.
My neck feels great.
Okay, awesome. Okay, let's open. Okay. So it's it's about the same. Okay. 29, almost 30. Okay. So all right. So tell me, what do you think about ASTR treatment?
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it went from 22, 24 to almost 30, so definitely helps a lot.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.